in the car wash. Can y'all see that? I'm just feeling silly today. Feeling silly. Good vibes only. Y'all, it's a fun day today. Ooh! I'm in the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah. Y'all remember that song? At the car wash. Intermission over. Hey, kings and queens. Well, this is a weekly vlog, so I decided to bring you all along with me. I'm at the cemetery, y'all, visiting my queen, my mom. I do not come to the cemetery very often. My mom passed in 2015, and I could count on one hand the number of times I've been to the cemetery. On one hand, kings and queens. My mom didn't like cemeteries much either. I don't mind a cemetery. I think it's peaceful, but my mom didn't like coming to visit her mom in the cemetery. She told me she could count on one hand the number of times she visited her mom, and her mom was gone for, I believe, 30-some years before she passed. But it's cathartic for me. I don't mind it. You know, why I chose today to come, kings and queens, because it's a nice day out. As you can see, it's a little rainy, but it's like in the 50s today in Michigan. This is the hottest day of the year we had so far. And I'm off of work, and it just touched my heart to come see my mom, my queen. So, of course, anybody who know my mom, if she was here, she'll be having her some libations. I have my wine here. And let's go and visit my mom. All these graves, I feel bad about walking over all these people's graves, y'all. See, people be scared of the cemetery. I love it. It's all of how you look at things, as I say. These are angels out here. Angels. Okay? It's a nice little walk to get to my mom's. And so a little short story. When my mom passed, my sister and I, we had to come up with all the money because she didn't have insurance. So we couldn't afford a tombstone. Okay? Now, some people were saying, you can get her cremated, or you can just have a memorial. But in her final wishes, she wanted to be buried, and she wanted to be in a church. So let me tell y'all something who haven't buried anybody. Everything costs. You got to pay for the church if she wasn't a residing member at that church. You have to pay for the pastor. You have to pay for the choir. Because even if it's your church, she could have won a specific person or different things, and everything you had to pay for. We had to pay for all of that. And on top of that, she was buried, so we had to pay for the funeral expenses and the coffin as well. So we didn't have enough money left over to pay for a tombstone. And when we thought about it, we thought about our mom. Mama didn't like cemeteries, as I told y'all earlier. So what did we do? Okay, we both have a business in our mom's name. I have a LLC in my mom's name. And a few years after I got mine, my sister got a 501c in my mom's name. So her memory lives on through that. Now, again, with my LLC, I Didn't have any startup money from government or any institutions or any investors. Every single piece I bought myself out of my own money. So as I'm hustling on my job, I was buying materials. For the pieces I made, I bought. People didn't know that. No, baby, I didn't get the money. It all came out my pocket. So when I sold pieces, it was awesome. It didn't make me much of a profit because as you're starting out, I basically was making back what I spent. And I still have pieces to this day that I haven't sold. But I did make a lot of custom-made pieces. So shout out to all y'all who supported your girl and your queen, whether you bought something or you shouted me out or you shared my stuff on social media or you told a friend. Thank you so very much. Do I want to start back going into it right now? No, I do not. I'm enjoying my life right now. And I'm working on several other ventures where I still have my business. I renew it every year in my mom's name. I still have it, but I'm just not putting a lot of money into making those custom-made pieces right now because I'm working on several other ventures. And y'all, I just don't feel like it. It takes time to make a custom-made piece and making it right. So will I ever pick it back up? Yes. Will it be exactly like that? I don't know. But will her name live on? Emery Essentials. That's the name of my company. Yes. I will renew it every year, whether I do something with it or not. So her, even though you haven't seen it lately, it is still legal and it's still renewed and it is still there. Rest in paradise to my queen. Yeah, I'm still walking to see my beautiful queen. And also my sister, she has a 501c in my mom's name. So like I said, we are living on. I'm sipping on my wine right now, y'all. Okay? Now, my sister's foundation is the Emma Louise Foundation. So go and check her out. Support, show love. We love you, my beautiful queen. I love you, mama. I love you, mama. I love you, mama. Beautiful kings and queens, thank you for coming here. Oh, shoot. I'm almost there. I'm going to have some alone time with my queen. And I'm just so thankful, y'all, because I have an angel here on earth. This is not a sad moment. It is a happy moment. Let me tell you something. It's all in how you look at it. It's all in how you look at it. Kings and queens, remember, enjoy this beautiful life you are given. When you become blessed, bless somebody else. I love you. Remember, love is the main key. Have a great day and a great evening.